And the final point that I want to make, if you want to build an agile organization, is to have the right leadership at all levels. No organization can move faster with a leadership team that is very slow in making decisions and execution. When you have leadership at all levels, they engage better, they debate decisions, and they make collective decisions faster. Speed is determined by trust. When you trust people, communication gets easier, people are more approachable, there is mutual trust in people's capabilities, there is empowerment, which means you give people the power to do what is best for the business. They get to do the right things rather than just doing things right. Therefore, imagine an organization or a corporation like a corpus, which is like a body, and there is a free flow of information, like the free flow of blood, which determines the health of the body and the organization. Imagine you are able to move faster and iterate faster. Imagine you are able to move faster together. The team is aligned. The team can perform better. And there is agility. So why not develop the mindset of agility and make it a collective mindset in your organization?